An untidy desk may exist because a person has been busy, because someone has made it messy while looking for something, or because the cat has knocked something over. A desk can be messy for any number of reasons. The point, though, is to create systems that can facilitate a desk being kept tidy. Having a system, a plan, structure to organise and enable a tidy desk can start with a simple rule. This simple rule acts as a behaviour modifier, promoting an idea that an area is best kept tidy. Untidiness could lead to unwanted situations. The exclamation mark on this sign is a warning about something unknown. A simple solution can be to produce storage that can store some of the items of an untidy desk. A simple storage solution can be created by using an in-situ resource utilisation method. Our surroundings provide materials and solutions to our problems. This is the essence of the I.S.R.U method. In this surrounding, the coffee can could be utilised as a storage facility for items other than coffee. The coffee can could be utilised as a desk storage device or desk tidy. The problem with the coffee can is that it is too deep to make it easy to retrieve some pens and other items from inside the can. The depth of the can be adjusted by raising the bottom of the can with a solid. Using cement to fill the bottom of the can will not only raise the base of the can, it will also provide stabilisation to the can by providing a lower centre of gravity. Marking the inside of the can will ensure that the correct depth of cement is poured into the can. The correct depth will allow for first order retrievability of the stationary items from inside the can. The cement is mixed in a metal bowl with water using a wooden spoon. The cement mixture needs to be fluid enough to pour into the coffee can, but thick enough that it does not require an overlong curing time. Given that today is the hottest day of the year so far, with some parts of the country at 32 degrees, it is unlikely the curing period will be overlong. After at least 24 hours, the cement should be cured and the can ready to be used as a desk storage device or desk tidy. This simple storage device provides solutions to several issues. Using the in-situ resource utilisation method means an item that may have gone to the recycling system has instead been reused or repurposed. This is a better solution than recycling. With the base of the coffee can suitably adjusted, it is now possible to place items that are scattered across the workstation into the can. The new low centre of gravity means the can is unlikely to be toppled by a curious cat. The In-Situ resource utilisation method is a process developed by the US National Aeronautics and Space Administration or NASA, and is the government agency responsible for the US civilian space program. The In-Situ resource utilisation, or I.S.R.U, is the harnessing of local natural resources at mission destinations. Instead of taking all needed supplies from Earth to enhance the capabilities of human exploration, I.S.R.U is similar to the DIY term bricolage. Bricolage is the construction or creation of items and is also applied to many disciplines, including art, architecture, fashion, business and others. The French equivalent to B&Q, or in America, Home Depot, is Mr. Bricolage. The person who practices bricolage is called a bricoleur. This is generally seen as someone that works with their hands and whatever resources are available to create or repair something, often in a unique or unconventional way. The bricoleur is like a jack of all trades, or as we like to refer to them here at Red Flag Industries, a factotum. Essentially, the bricoleur and the factotum both embody the idea of a versatile and resourceful individual.